L1 of 0 is equal to 100. It is updating. It is updating. Print that L1 here students and see that it is updated. Earlier it is called 10. Now it is updated to 100. Now I'm trying to do the updation of T1 of 0 is equal to 100, which is not possible to do it because it is called one of the immutable part. Print the T1 once again students. The 10 remains 10 only. It is not possible to update. Which values are updating? List values are getting updated, but tuple values are not possible to update. Is it clear or not clear? Clear. So, coming to the point of without delay, I will get this data. Without taking much time. I'll show you some information for you students. So, coming to the data types. So, instead of typing the same thing, will take some time for me. So, I will just bring it. What are the things which are available? I will just bring it. These are the three things I will bring it. It's already discussed as a part of our list. This you can follow me very well. Let me open that tuple here first. Tuple I am going to open. Then try to read all of you carefully. Try to read all of you one by one. You try to read one. So tuple is one of the pre-defined class. Treated as which data type? List data. Purpose of list data type is that to store multiple values either of same type or different type or both the types in single object with unique and duplicate values. The elements or data in tuple must be organized or stored in braces, and elements must be separated by comma. Variable name is equal to, see that braces here, value 1 comma value 2 comma value n, value 1 comma value 2 comma value n. Here variable name is an object of which type? Tuple type. An object of tuple maintains insertion order. An object of tuple maintains what order? Insertion order. Insertion order means whatever order we are entering, in the same order that will be done. An object of tuple, on the object of tuple, we can perform both indexing and slicing operations. We can convert one type of value into tuple type by using tuple of. What is that one? Variable name is equal to tuple of object. This object can be any type. An object of tuple belongs to one immutable because tuple object does not support item statement. With the tuple data type, we can create two types of tuple objects. They are empty tuple, non-empty tuple. Empty tuple and one more is non-empty tuple. So, empty tuple and then what? Non-empty tuple. Coming to the point of empty tuple here. An empty tuple is one which does not contain any elements whose length is 0. Variable name is equal to representation or variable name is equal to tuple of. Both of them you know now. Next non-empty tuple you see. A non-empty tuple is one which contains elements whose length is greater than 0. And see the syntax here, my dear students. Variable name is equal to writing like this. Fine. One more is called what? Variable name is equal to tuple of. You are converting what? List of elements into which type? Tuple type. That is the second one. Or writing variable name is equal to value 1, value 2, value. Without any braces are already showing in the example. This is converted into what? Non-empty. I'm giving one important note. The functionality of tuple is exactly similar to list, but an object of list belongs to mutable, and whereas an object of tuple belongs to immutable. Already you have seen that? Yes. Coming to the examples, please students. T1 is this data, T1 of this data, and T2 is containing this data, T2 is printed. On T2 we are applying indexing. On T2 we are applying indexing. Slicing also we are applying, and reversing the data also printed. Easy. Now coming to the next area, T2 is equal to some different values and print the T2 and the T2 of 0 is equal to 1 1 0 type error. Tuple object does not support what? Item assignment. And next one more thing, T1 is equal to no braces, nothing is there. I'm printing everything like this. T1 is on double type, and T1 is equal to L1 is equal to, this is called a list students. List data is printed. Converted into which type? Double type. Typecasting technology is applied. Printed this T1 here. I hope you are understanding, students. This is about which type, which concept? Double concept. So double concept is always used for representing constant values in Python. Very, very important question. How do you represent? Why do you use double data type? To represent what data? Fixed values, constant values, whose values cannot be changed in the near future or program execution. That time will go for it, right? I'll write one note in the last. Write one note in the last. Double data type. Always used for representing. Always used for representing. Which data? Constant values. Constant values we will use. This is an important point. Constant values means which cannot be changed in the order. That type of values are known as what? Constant values. Am I clear, students? Well, now I am going to introduce what are the predefined functions present in. What are the predefined functions present in? Now I am going to say predefined functions in where double. Of course, you won't take much time, and I want to write it. How many predefined functions are there in tuple? Tuple is what type I told? Immutable. So first let me write it. What are the functions in list once? Functions in list. I am not going to explain once again. What are those things? I am just having the clarity here. Tell me, students. Append. What you learned, you tell me enough. Append. Come on. Insert. Okay. Come on. Remove off. Off. Things are there. Pop off. Index and then what? Pop off. Next is called what? Here. Next is called what? Next is called what? Index. Next is called what? Index. Index. 1 minute. Index. Index. Next I will write it what here? So count also I will write in other side. Count also I will write in other side. So that L is an operator. You should not say that L is an operator. Come on, next is called what you know. Next is called a copy. Next is called a reverse. Next is called a sort. Next is called sort. Next is called a extend. Is it 12 functions are over? Yes. 12 functions are over, right? Fine. Now you see, students. Now I am going to say, here you observe it. Is the append function present in tuple? First, you try to compare conclusion. Tuple is what? Is it possible to go for append? No. Shall I check it quickly? Yes. See, my dear students, one point I want to say, there is no use of creating empty tuple in Python program. You may ask one question, of course you did not ask, I am only saying to that. L1 is equal to, like this I am saying, L1 dot what? Append or L1 dot append or I am writing 100. Yes, L1, sorry, L1. Yeah. L1. So print of L1. Print of L1. Easy. Type of L1, which is going to be added. I can say that you see 100.56. 100.56. Print that L1 is going on added. See, students. T1 is equal to, I am going to write this. Empty tuple. Print of what? T1 comma. Type of T1. You see, it is going to be an empty tuple. LN of T1 is equal to 0. Even if you create empty tuple, there is no meaning. But sir, why you said that? Further, when I am going to explain database communication and content, you are getting some type of mechanism called empty tuple concept is coming. That time, by keeping those long type of concept in mind, today I said that word. So now you see, students, T1 dot append of 10 is not there error. T1 append does not contain append function. T1 append has no attribute for what? So there is no meaning of creating empty tuple. And obviously, what is not possible? Appending is not possible. And don't ask me again, sir, why you create? What is the use of empty tuple? Without further, you will come across empty tuple concept once. That time to understand that, I said now itself. Now you say, students, now I am saying here 10 comma, row some comma, some 34.56 comma, something like Python I just written here. I just written. Print of what, students? D1 comma, type of D1, type of D1. You see double type. Now I am going to say D1 dot up and down, Java and adding. It is going to give you error. Is append function is there or not there? So not there. That means it is a cross. Cross means what? Not there in where? Not there in double. Not there in double. Which is present in where? Yes. People may ask why append is not there in double. Because an append function is going on adding the data to the list. Mutability, so that you can allow. You cannot add such type of function to where? Double. So because it is a fixed value space contained. Okay, next one is what? Insert. T1 dot insert of 1 comma 100. 1 comma 100. Already T1 is this one. T1 is this one. I am trying to add in this place 100. That is also going to give an error. Insert. Tuple object has no attribute for what? Insert. That is also not possible to have it. Next is also called what? Insert is not there. Insert is not there. Next is called what? Remove. Expect it now. T1 you see. Print the T1 here. T1 dot what? Remove. Of what? 10. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Okay. No problem. No problem. T1 dot remove. Also no problem. Which is not containing any such type of value. Are you able to follow? So remove function is there or not there? Not there. Next, pop off index there or not there? Not there. You want to test it. So this is T1 and then try to print it. T1 dot pop off. T1 dot pop off wants some post index. Error. T1 dot just pop off. It is also an error. It is also an error. Are you able to get me? As next like that, I will go for what? Clear. T1 dot what again? Also error. Also error. Come on, next is called what? Dot what? Start. Also error. Also error. T1 dot what? Reverse. Also error. Also error. T1 dot what? Expand. Expand. I will write it once. T2 I will take it. Is equal to 100 comma 100 comma 300. You get T1 extend of T2 also error. Are you able to follow, students? Now, one beautiful point I am going to cover here. Everybody must understand. This is the done. Now I am going to say T1 dot copy of T2 of T2. Where done? Copying the data of T1 into T2. Previously, what are the things are available? It's not possible. Clear is not possible. And the reverse is also not possible. We check it, not possible. And the sort also not possible. Extend also not possible. Copy possible or not possible? Come on. Possible? Yeah, possible you are. So that is wrong answer. Not possible. Why not possible? So, I will tell you the reason. Copy function is not possible to do because, listen, once it is immutable, whose memory space will take only once. If you are copying means content of T1 is coming to T2. That is nothing but shallow copy. That means what? If you are copying the immutable object into another place, that is also becoming what? Immutable only. Like that data of T1, maintaining 20 times, 30 times copying, is there any use of? Think carefully. Once again, T1 data is what? Immutable or mutable? Immutable. copy, it's possible, huh? No. Suppose you are there. Can I duplicate you? Can I copy in another person? Not at all possible. Understand, students? So that's why immutable objects are not possible to copy. Understand? Right? See that error. Generally, people will feel possible. Simple mother is that India. Can I copy India into another tuple? Only one India. Two Indias, three Indias will not be there. Come on, right or not? Yes. Now, this is called which copy is not possible? Shallow copy is not possible. Deep copy possible or not? T2 is equal to T1. Possible or not possible? 100% possible. Because I already told you how many memory spaces will create in deep copy. One memory space pointing to multiple objects. If you don't read the notes and the counter point, there is no use of it. Print it here, T1 off, T1 you print it, T1 you print it, ID of T1 you say. Already told you in the class, T2 you print here, T2 you print, T2 you print, and T2. What is happening? Same address will be there. That is not two memory space printed or only one memory space. That means whatever the data is there, who is pointing already, T1. T2 also pointing. Let it point of hundreds of people, no issue at all. And nobody can modify the data. There is no issue of what? Deep copy allowed. Shallow copies not allowed. Did you understand this point? As coming to next is called what? T1. Into the T1. Now I'm going to say T1 dot index of 10. It is possible. What I'm doing, I'm getting only index. I'm just getting, I'm finding the index of it. I'm not modifying, just retrieving it. I'm finding at which index this value is present. At which index this value is present? 0. I'm writing here Python. Here I'm writing Python. So here I'm writing Python. See that index is available in where? 0, 1, 2, 3. The index is coming 3. Are you able to get it? So index function allowed or not allowed? Which functions are allowed? Whichever things are not modifying, those kind of things are allowed. Are you following? Whichever things are modifying, those kind of things are not possible to perform. Are you following? Yes. Now I am going to say one more type of thing. You say here, T1 dot, say here, count of 10, also possible. Count of 10 is called what? The count of next 100 I am writing. What is the value? 0. Now state final T1 of 10 comma 20 comma 10 comma 0 comma 10 comma 20 comma 0 comma 10. It is available like this. Print of T1 here, and then say T1 dot count of what? 10, which will give you what? 4 times. T1 dot count of 0, which will give you what? 2 times. T1 dot 100, which will give you what? 0. Are you able to follow? So count function will give you number of values present in tuple of. Are you able to follow? Right. So coming to the point back, now count function. What of the things are permitted? Index and count functions are permitted. Are you able to follow? So coming to this place, index of it, and next is called what? Count of it. These are the two things are permitted, and other things are not permitted. So what are the functions present inside of it? You are coming to know. Index is present. In these cases, index is present, and the count is present. These many number of functions are present in where? List. Which functions are present into tuple? Index and count. Are you able to follow? Right. That student spreads adjacent. Spreads are just done. Asking to wait. Stand up once. Stand up. Yes. What are the functions present in tuple? First mistake is came late, number 1. After that, watching mobile. Correct? See, my dear student, please understand by yourself. Already 23 years class, 24, 25 I do. Still doing that activity in the class. What are you doing? Please understand. Think by yourself. What are the functions present in W? Tell me. Came all the way in winter season to the class. I am appreciating. Number two, after sitting in the class, what are you doing? Tell me. You only think about your future. What are the functions present in W? Tell me. You are present. Tick mark is there in the attendance register. But after that, what will happen? Think about your future. Sit up. Unable to answer my question. Think about it. In your future, I'm not going to worry about it. But by I'm unable to see your activity. That's why. Fine. So what are the two functions are present? Index of count. Right? So I'm requesting to everybody, please realize by yourself. Already 20 to 25 years, 24 years came. Still to get the job, to take like this activity in the class. No, yeah, no use at all. If you watch the mobile continuously, I'm not going to do single entry from my packet. But all the way you came to the class, read well. That is my request. Right? Because it is the last stage for you. After the last stage, two things are there. One is called what MNC is there, one is Bay of Bengal is there. One is Bay of Bengal and one more is MNC is there. What you prefer, you decide. That's my request for everybody. Don't jump into river, you jump into MNC. That's my request. Right? Please follow. If you go through the mobile, seeing that mobile YouTube videos, YouTube shorts and all, nothing is losing. Already you paid money, but I'm a dedicated faculty. I want to disturb you at least from that video watch. Already will realize. So my request is to everybody, please read well. Try to shape your future in my classes. Will I move forward? Good. Now in last class, we already spoke about inner list method. Inner list. What is the definition of inner list? The process of defining one list in another list is called inner list. Today also, we can define in one tuple, we can define another tuple also we can define. Let us follow students in online. I'll just say predefined functions in tuple once I will show you. What are the predefined functions, my dear students? Please watch it. We know that I'm going to write it. I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to say. We know that an object of tuple, we can perform indexing and slicing. Along with these operations, we can perform other operations by using the following predefined functions. One is what function is permitted? Index of. One more is yes. Example I'm giving. This is the data. This is the tuple type. Index of 10 is this. Index of RS is this one. And I'm having this data here. And the T1 type. T1 dot count of this, T1 dot count of 0 this. Are you able to follow, students? So I hope that you are understanding this entire discussion. I'm going to face this example also. Which things are not permitted? Append function I am giving that part also. This is the data. Another example I said. So coming to this area, functions not present in tuple. Append function, inside function, these are the functions are not present in tuple. These are the functions present in where? List only, but not present in, because the tuple belongs to very good. Coming to that, one note also I am writing. By using L operator, we can't delete what? Values of tuple object. By using indexing and slicing, but we can delete the entire object. We can delete the complete object, but we cannot delete the values, because value modification is not possible. Take the data, go to the same data. T1 you printed, this is my data. Del of T1 of what? 0. It will give you error. Tuple object does not support item deletion. Del of T1 of 0:3 also not possible to do it. you cannot print that data here because it is already deleted out. Yes. A beautiful point I will tell you. Look at that. Here I am taking, this is also one point. See, when I am explaining this much carefully, every point I am covering, how much seriously you must play that? You think about it. So already we have a lot of sufferings in our education system. You already see. And incidentally, you are a part of my class. I want to shape you like anything. Concentrate. Earlier I used to do, whoever is watching the mobile, I used to send out of the class. But I don't want. By knowing or not knowing, you are did that. But in my class, if I send you out of the class, then the last day, I never allow the next class. But that's why try to keep our body under our control, try to do the things. Now 10 and next is called 23 and minus 56 minus 1 and next is called 13 and then some 15 and then some 6 and then some value called what you know minus 2. This is my data. Print of what? T1 comma what? Type of T1, type of T1 you observe. Now the question is, how do you sort the values of T1? What is the function we are supposed to apply? T1 dot sort. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid. It is not possible to do that. Already you must done the error. Now in Python there is one general function is there, student. What is the function name? Sorted. What is the name of the function? Sorted. Very regularly asking FAQ. Sorted of what object you are passing? T1. Sorted function will take the T1 values and sort the data. That sorted data will not keep it into T1 because the T1 is what? Immutable. It is going to keep it into some other variable. That variable is generally called a list type. Which type? List type. Are you able to follow, students? So how do you do that now? Come on, x is equal to, tell me, sorted of what? T1. See, my dear students, how beautiful it is. Print of x comma type of T1. So type of x, type of x. Which type I told? List type. So sorted function takes the immutable object tuple, taking the data and sorted and kept into where? X. Print that T1 once again for your clarity purpose, same data remains. But that is X is containing that. Are you following me? If now we want to get it into sorted data once again into where? Tuple, then say what? T1 is equal to, remain, tuple of X. What is the X type? What is the X type? I am converting into which type? So print what is that again? Is it sorted data? So this is a very frequently asked question, student. What is this I am going to say? After writing this entire point, one more note I am writing here. One note I will write in 3 different functions I am saying. You say copy here, the data you see. What function I am saying? Sorted. Sorted. There I am writing. This function is used for sorting the data of immutable object tuple, and use the sorted data in the form of what? List. In the form of list. Most important, this is most IMP, most important. That's why be careful. Whatever I am explaining, try to check with every place, every internet. For example, you take one tuple. You type tuple in the Google. You see our notes and see that where is the more content is there. Then only you feel happy and tell to the friends. Okay. Now I am going to say the syntax. Syntax I am going to tell you. What is the syntax here? Tell me one. List obj is equal to sorted. Sorted is a general function. What is this object now? Tuple object. Example. See this. What is the question is asking? how do you sort the tuple data? First of all, you have to say directly sorting the tuple data by using sort function, not by. We can sort the data by using sorted function. Understand now? Sorted function. See that now? I'm going to say, coming to this point of it, right? Now the sailors here. Yes, ma'am. Descending order of tuple. Are you reading the notes, my dear student? Naga sailor. Are you reading the notes? I want that information. Easily, see, once you are learning Python from my class, you must become immediately an intelligent. So, you see this data printed list, and this is the T1 printed, and this is the T1 printed remains same. Converting what? You see, converted, what data? List, sorted list, sorted list to what? Into tuple. Into tuple. Are you getting my point? Yes. See, and Naga Sailor is asking descending order. It is my left hand and left figure. How, sir? How you are left hand left figure? Can you say, sir? Easy, sir, for me. Because I am reading regularly my notes, sir. That's why, sir. T1 now, colon minus 1. This is my weapon. If you read my notes, you will become intelligent. If you don't read the notes, you will not become. So, Naga Sailor. So, I hope you are getting this. Because once you are going on entering into the subject, one moment of time, you never get any doubts. Why? Like that I will explain in the class. So, this is called one already. Already getting what data? Descending order. Descending order is coming up. Yes. So, still you want, this is the data. You want in another tuple, T2 is equal to, yes. T2 you print it. Print of what? T2. And what is this? Type of T2. Type of T2. What are the data? Are you able to follow? This is the way. Is it explained already or not? Yes. That's what I said at the beginning there. Any question comes in MCQ, it is from my notes. Any system test or written test getting in interview, it is from my notes. You can understand how strong knowledge I am going to give you in the class. It's my selfishness. I want to make my student to be wonderful. I decided 25 years back when I entered into teaching field, I should not be our previous teachers. That is, I decided that's why I gave to this teaching line. Whether I take Java or Python or any subject, I want to make an expert. Provided you read my notes. If you don't read, I can't do anything else. Okay? This is called what? Every moment I will give you. What is the most important thing I covered on? Sorted out. It is a general function. This is the syntax I said. Okay? Now this is comes under what? Three different functions in tuple. Without libraries, we can't do anything else in the software industry. Okay? Will I move forward? Well, coming to next area comes under what? Nested tuples I want to take. Nested tuples. Shall I? Good. Last class we have already done nested list. What is the meaning of nested list? The process of defining one list in another list is called what? Nested list. When you are going to your village or home, you are taking a bigger luggage bag. Inside the luggage bag, you are taking laptop bag. There is nothing but laptop bag is what? Inner bag. And a luggage bag is called what? Outer bag. That is a general level concept. And in programming, we require what? Inner level concept also. So I am going to today what? T1 is equal to, take your students like yesterday's example only, 10 comma rows, what I am taking next? I am taking this part you see 10 internal marks I am taking 16, 18 and then 17. This is my inner tuple. Yesterday after word. Next I am going to take it. 67, 78 and then 66. 66 is my external marks. Is my OUCET. Assume that. See my dear students, this is called what? Inner tuple, and this is called what? Outer tuple. So, is it possible to write or not? Yes. T1 comma type of T1 comma type of what? T1. Yes, we got it. Then You see that, students. Now T1 of 0 you get it as value is coming. T1 of 2 you get it, internal marks are coming. T1 of 3 you get it, external marks are getting. Getting my point? Can I start this? I want to get this 18. 18 I want to get it. Directly cannot locate 18. 18 is a part of one list called right 2. And 2 into this is 0 1 into in T1 of 2. In T1 of 2, first you locate that. In that you locate what? Or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right on. So many ways are there. T1 of 2 student. So that it will be giving this data. In the under that I will write 1. How easy it is. So 18 is coming up. I want to get this 66. Please tell me total negative minus 1, minus 2. T1 of minus 2 and minus 1. No problem. Even with the positive value you say 0, 1, 2. 2 you say. And the same answer is coming up. Is that better? Easy. Now tell me, can I remove this data? Complete tuple I want to remove. Can I? Can I remove complete inner tuple? Yes or no? No. No. Because 0, 1, 2 indexing on the tuple is not possible. How? You are thinking complete tuple I am saying, but this complete tuple is a part of another tuple. So T1 of C, L of T1 of 2, T1 of 2 is not possible. Even though it is a complete tuple, but the tuple is a inner tuple, na? It is not possible. Is it possible to remove complete tuple? As possible. So I am writing here once again T1 dot T1 of 2, T1 of 2 dot what? Count of 100. Do you have 100 in this place? No. What is the answer? 0. Can I sort this data by using sort function? No. We cannot apply any sort of function except indexing and count. Did you understand inner tuple here? Can I move forward? Can I write tuple in a tuple? Yes. Can I write list in a list? When I write a tuple in a tuple, can I do any modifications in this area? You cannot. You cannot. Now I am going to enter into something different. Look at L1 is equal to same data and taking. Take care. L1 is equal to carefully listen. Now I am going to enter into some separate area. Some separate area I am going to take. Okay. So is equal to I am writing something like what you know. Something 16 comma 18 comma 17 I am writing comma now I am writing some courses are there which are fixed in that now I am taking AI, now I am taking PS, are you following me? Come on, next I am going to take something like OUC. You see students something different. What is this actually listed? What is this is called? Inner list. What is this is called? Tuple, which is written as a part of what? List. Did you understand? So inside the list, inner list is possible. Today something special is what? I am writing tuple also inside of list. Why tuple is written? These courses are fixed in OUC. For example, fixed values are supposed to write in way, constant values are supposed to write in way. Right? Please print it. L1 comma type of L1. Yes, it is fixed type. You access it to print out what you know. L1 of what? 2 comma type of what? Type of L2 you say. L1, sorry students. L1. So it is going to be what again? In this list, this is one more list or not? You see now L1 of 3 and L1 of what? 3 you write it. L1 of 3 you write it. It is also called what? L1. Mistake. 13. What is this now? So I'm confusing you unnecessarily. So let me go to the printing. First L1. Happy? Right. Now I want to print it. L1 of 2. L1 of 2. Are you okay? This is called what? Inner list. Now I'm going to say what? L1 of 2 is over. Next I'm going to take it one more thing. L1 of 3. L1 of 3 is what? Double. Double. See that? Double. Inside the list, what is variable? Listing a list is variable. Inside the list, what is variable? Can I add the data to this inner list? As L1 of what? 2. Not what? Append of. I'm writing something like what? What? Something like 16 I am adding. So done. Done. Print the L1 beginning. L1. 16 is added or not? Can I add any course to this? You cannot. Because it is what type? You try to adapt the student. L1 of 3. Not what? Append of. Append of. You see that value called what? Something like you write it. Or language you write it. It is going to give you an error. Because a double object has no functionality called what? Append. Did you understand? Yes. Now, can I add any double explicitly, sir? Yes. L1 dot append of, append of, append of, one more instead of that, append already append, insert of, 1 comma, or 2 comma, I will write. 2 comma, I am writing. See that now? See that now? I am writing some value I am writing, student. Some value I am writing. Something like 15, something like 16, something like 45, something like 67, something I wrote it. Insert. Which one I am inserting? Double in where? This is. It is possible. Print L1. It is added at the first location. Inner double, inner list, inner double. In where? So tell me, is it possible to write list in a list? Double in a double? Yes. Double in list? At 2 years last no, this is what is called your golden. Can I write a double in a list? This is called a double in list. If that knowledge is not there, only skeleton is there, no use at all. Take care. Can I write a double in list? Yes. So what is the thing? List in list is possible. Possible. Double in double is possible. Possible. Next I'm saying double in list possible. Yes, possible. Next I'm going to what is next? Listing double. Listing double. If you are not serious about that, you are not serious or not intelligent enough to hold this. Here nothing is there. I am not expecting any basics from your old academics. Come on. Now I am taking. Go to the same place. Go to this place. Now I am going to take. Go to this place. T1 is equal to half I am writing this 10 rows sum etc. I am writing same thing. Last you close it. What is this? First of all, this font is known as double. Come on. Double. What is this data value? Is that double? What is this is called? List. So it is called a listing double. What is this now? Double in double. And what is this? OUC? It is called value in double. Is it called inner list or not? Yes. Tell me. Done. Print of what? T1 comma type of T1. Easy. Type of T1. Printed or not? Type. Okay. Print T1 of print of I'll write it. T1 of what is this? T1 of 0, T1 of 1, T1 of 2. T1 of 2 comma type of T1 of 2. T1 of 2. What is this? List. List. T1 of 3. T1 of 3 and a T1 of 3. What is that? Double. Double. Double in double. Listing double. Right or not? Yes. Can I add the data to this list? Can I add the data to this list? You pray the answer. I can add the data. What is this type? List. How do you locate it? T1 of P1 of 2. P1 of 2 is nothing but this only now. What is that? Command appending. The what append? Now, first of all, T1 of 2 type is what? Append of something KVR and adding. So it is happily permitted. Happily permitted. T1 of is added. To whom I am adding? This innate upper. Can I add the data to this? T1 of 3. Dot what? Append of Python. Append of Python. Is it possible? Error. And nobody will explain this. Nobody will go for this. Python in 10 days or Python in 20 days are over. Obviously, it will correct that. Already 21 years of suffer. Already lost high school days some lakhs of rupees. And intermediate we lost 2 lakhs. Already school days we lost up 6 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 8 lakhs. In engineering we lost almost 6 lakhs. Because you are branded bags, branded pants, pens, mobile recharging, mobiles, fiber, 6 months changing. 6 lakhs not. 8 plus 6, 16. And if any dull student is there, and for 20 lakhs over, 21 years over. What will happen after that? What will happen after that? Everybody is asking, relatives are asking, when do you get job, when do you get the job? Parents are asking, for first 1 year after BTech is over, they are not saying anything. Next 1 year after that, they will ask you, Babu, when do you get the job? And you will say, okay, wait, 6 months, just 6 months waiting. And they will think that you know everything. You know everything. Royal Enfield bullet is there. South is coming. Pollution created unnecessary. Finally, 1 year over, 2 years over. And parents are asking, when do you get the job? Job is not there, nothing. And finally, what is happening? You are unable to go to even functions also. The relatives will ask you, when do you get job? Especially boys, actually. When do you get job? When do you get job? You will not go to functions also. You will not meet with friends also. Friends are there. Which friends? Same category. Homogeneous friends are there. Let's see the result of what will happen. That is the situation. That's why keep our body under our control. Careful and be good. Okay? Once you get 22 years, you must do the job. It's a system. There is a system. Okay? And if you do this course, that course, all total courses, if you do in unlimited, you become a senior citizen. Senior citizen, once you cross 4 or 5 years without any job, it's very difficult for you nowadays to get the job. Unless until you upskill your things, then only you can get the job. I'm seeing so many students from so many years onwards. That's why learn well, learn the course so deeply, and move to the right. Python in 10 days, Python in 25 days, over and want to get the job, there is only greedy. Nothing will happen. You don't know how standards. That's why realization to the friends and you are important. And if compare your previous education and after education and compare our class also. That's why when I'm saying something, don't do any extra operations in my class. Read well, keeping our body under our control. So how to access 18 in T1 is asked. How to access Indrajay is asked. Indrajay you write imposition. So how to access 18 in T1? So left hand left finger. First, don't feel it. Because when you ask that question, myself feeling it, that being a student of mine, you are getting that. T1 of what? 2. Of what? 1. You see that in the job. Answer is no. So this is an answer is no. One more answer is what? T1 of 2. T1 of 2. Of what? Minus 2. Minus 2. What is coming? Minus 3. Okay. Minus 3. You see that 18 is coming. This answer and this answer, both of them are done. Okay? So, either done. So, you got your answer. And one more answer also I am giving you. And one more offline student is raising the hand. One more offline student is raising the hand. What is this doubt I guess? Yes, what is your doubt? Now,
Sir, how to use that sorted function inside tuple?
Which one you want me to sort immediately?
Tuple.
Tuple you want? This one?
Yes.
Okay. So he is asking how to use it. That is also, you also need to write in position. You also need to write in position. Stand up. How do you locate this? 0, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Come on. D1 of first sorted. Sorted of what? D1 of 0, 1, 2, 3. Or minus 1, -2. D1 of what? -2. Returns what? Something like K is equal to. Right or not? K contains what? K. What data? Sorted data. That sorted data I want to place it here. That sorted data I want to place it here. How do you place it? How do you place it? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. D1 of what? 3. D1 of 3 is equal to what? K. Possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? Not possible, because indexing is not possible to do that. Indexing is not possible to do it. Indexing is not possible to do it. You'll get what? That's why what I'm trying to say is how to sort this data we got it. How to sort this data we got it. Are you following me? If at all you want, you can convert that into what? L1 is equal to what? List of what I'm doing. E1. You print L1. L1 is printed what? List type. Are you observing my dear student? Now you see L1 of 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 you say is equal to what? K. L1 of 3 is K. K contains my sorted data. As print L1. See my dear student. Beautiful. Convert into what? Double back. Convert to double back. Convert into double back. Are you able to get it? Yes. Sir, I want to double as double on this side. I don't want that extra. So say y is equal to what? Y is equal to what? L1 of 3. Which is of what type? Which is of which type? List type. List type what? You say what is here? Double of. Convert into double of. And keep it in where? L1 of what? 3 is equal to what? Y. 1. You see that L1? Now it is called what again? Double. You bring it to what? T2 is equal to double of what? L1 and the T2 got it. That is your doubt. For that brain should work. And your brain is more than enough to understand this. Whatever brain we have is more than enough. Are you understanding? Understand? Okay, you are doubt. Comprehending and saying. You remove that connection. Okay, you are there. Okay, come on.
Small one, inside a couple, we remove that.
I'm not getting it.
AI is capital, CX is also capital. This one small character like small.
So you are getting that out. My dear student. My dear student. I'll tell you. See, stand up. Capital A is 65. Small a is called 97. His doubt is capital AI. This is small c s e. He is asking which one will come front. He is asking. That is what his doubt is. Is it possible to sort out? That is his doubt. It is 100% sorted. Why not sorted? You see, I will take separately this data. You do it. T1 is equal to, I am saying, taking this, and this is called a C, and this is called a C, and that's all. Yes. Now you take it, sorted of T1, and take it as something like K you say. Now you see, K you print it. What is happening? Sorted. Why? Come on, take that. I told you capital A is 65, capital B is 66, capital C is 67, small capital D is called 68, and small c is called what? Small a is 97, small b is called 98, small c is called 99, and now you see capital AI is definitely first in order. Now sir, D is called what? 68, small c is called what? 99. 68 first or 99 first? 68. And and 99 is coming. Are you following? Any doubt you ask, I will answer your questions. Anything, whatever you ask, but you need to understand how to get these values. I will tell you the class. ORD of A. ORD of A. I will explain ORD function also in the part 97. ORD of small c is called what? 99. ORD of capital D will get that 68. ORD of A will get what? 65. CHR of what? 68. 68. I will explain this in the further student. ORD of 68. 68 will get what? ORD of 99 or CHR of 99. Character of what is that? Small c. Are you following? So small letters will have higher values compared to the what? Higher. That is called ASCII table in called. It is a basic subject called C language. And I said already promised you. No need to know any C language. No need to know any C language. Everything is mentioned. And Krishna is asking, sir, sorting combination of numbers and strings not possible. So I already told you in the last class only. Oh, heterogeneous values are not possible to do. Already told you na? Yes. Now I am going to conclude my sentences. I hope you are understanding about it. Now this is comes under where listing list is possible, tuple is possible, and whatever the data you are having, be sorted. Right now. So first have the conclusion. How many combinations? List in list, list in list, tuple in list, tuple in tuple, and next is called what? List in tuple, and next is what? Tuple in list. So list in list, possible or not possible? Possible. What is the answer? Possible. Tuple in tuple, possible. List in tuple, possible. Possible. Tuple in list, possible. When tuple is there in list, can I modify tuple data? When tuple is written in list, can I modify tuple data? No. When list is there in tuple, can I modify list data? Yes. When tuple is there in tuple, can I modify this tuple data? No. When list is there in list, can I modify list data? Because list is mutable. Tuple is mutable. Non-mutable, don't tell them your own English. So, immutable. Tell me? Immutable. Are you following? Yes. So, coming to the point of it, this is comes under one type of predefined function. Let me go for showing nested tuple. Small meaning I want to give. Small meaning I want to give. So let us follow this carefully and give some description here. So keep it in mind. Keep it in mind. Now coming to part, the process of defining. I want to say this now. Carefully try to follow. Now I'm going to give the description here, students. Start learning. The process of defining one tuple in another tuple is called inner or nested tuple. Syntax you see one. All of you follow the syntax. What is the syntax I am taking here? Tuple object. So let me just reduce the font so that you can get it. Okay. Start learning. Tuple object is equal to tuple trace value 1 value 2 value. Another tuple here and another tuple here and then value n of close. Now here value 1 value 1 value 1 2 is called one inner tuple. Value 2 1 value 2 2 is called another inner tuple. Value 1 value 2 value 2 is called outer tuple. All the predefined functions of tuple can be applied to what? Inner tuple. How many functions are there in inner tuple? Only 2. What are the index and other functions are modifiable functions. They are not permitted in way. Yes. On inner or nested tuple, we can perform indexing and slicing operations only, but we cannot perform other kind of modifiable operations. Right? Now see students, I am writing here. What is this now? Tuples inside the tuples. Are you following? So S of this is called a tuple and this is called a indexing this one. S of 2, type of S of 2, type of SF. SF2 is called what? One tuple written in another tuple. Nested tuple. Print of 0 colon 3 and getting that slicing operation on my inner tuples. Now one more kind of thing. Inside the tuple, we are taking one list and we are taking another tuple also. Alright, students. S of what type? Tuple type. S of 2 is called what? List. S of 2 is list. And inside the tuple, list is written inside the tuple. Beautiful. SF2 dot append of 12, which is modular. Because SF2 is which type? Listed type. Which is added the value called 12 is added. Listed type under tuple. And SF of tuple, it is printed. SF of 3 dot append of 12. This is the 3, not possible. Error is not. Following me. Coming to the point of it, SF inside the list, I'm writing one list, I'm writing one tuple. SF comma type of SF is called a list. SF of 2, type of SF of 2 and type of SF. Inside the list in list. SF of 3, this is called a tuple. Tuple of what? List. And I told the note, one can define one list in another list. One can define one tuple in another tuple. One can define one list in another tuple. That is called a tuple of list. Come on, one can define one tuple in another list. That is called a list of tuples. Understand? Because these are very, very important points. When I come to next stage is called what? You got what now? List we got. Already we learned 4 combinations. Next what will come? Set will come. Then we will talk what? Setting set we will talk. Next thing listing set we will talk. Tuple set we will talk. And then later what? Setting list we will talk. Setting tuple we will talk. And these combinations will come. Next dictionary will come. Dictionary will be with all mind blowing. Confusion also will come. Confusion will come to who is not touching the book. Who is touching the book, no confusion. Just like taking like pineapple juice with more nuts and apple juice there. If you don't touch the book now, something will happen in the body. Some shaking will take place. Be sincere, be perfect in the class. So this is about which concept? Tuple will come. And I'll stop the session. Because I cannot start immediately now itself data type. Another data type is not start. Data types you will come to later. Data types in this you see. Tomorrow will go for what? Yes. So one student is asking a question. So one student is asking a question. Of course, it is also an important thing. Of course, it is very simple also. I said what yesterday? C is writing A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 1. Come on. Actually, this is part of listening the classes. Carefulness is important. If they don't listen the class carefully, you will get the type of answers. I will explain it. Listen now. This is part of my Python environment. 1 minute. See students. I will get this data here. I'll get this data. I'll copy this. I'll see here. This is L1. A is she is to keep as A. Powering and so she is the powering. And then this is B. What I told yesterday, she is adding the data to A. A dot extend of B. I said yesterday, you listen my voice very carefully. A dot extend of B. B values are added to A. B values are added to A. A you printed. Print of A you printed. So print will print. Print statement will do what? Values of what? A. A is containing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40. Answer is coming like this. But what people will do? What Pavani has done it like this, extended it. Sorry. What she did, I am doing like this. What she did, she printed A dot extend of what? B. This is one of the dangerous point. B values are added to A. She is expecting A values are printed. Never printed. What is printed? extend function will not give any result to print. Extend function will not print any result to print. Extend function is added the values of p to where. Extend function is not printing anything. Extend function is not giving anything to print statement to print. It is going to say nothing is giving. So answer is called none. You print A, that is the subject. That is the subject. A is printed 10 lines. So Bhavani, I hope you understand my dear student. So, are you understanding? So, right, somebody is asking, now somebody is asking. So what is this? Vinila, somebody, some student. Hello sir, can you give any separate notes for that? No separate note, this is the final notes. I said, no separate notes will be given. This is the full-fledged notes. It is like a Python Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is how much important for the people of citizens of India. Like that for Python people, it's the city Constitution. This is. That much deep notes I will do daily. I will do. I can do directly notes. I can do directly notes. My students has prepared that and he has given to me. Sir, keep this notes. I prepared a PDF file. You will ask that, sir, give me that PDF file. I never give that PDF file. I never give anybody else that PDF file because I already said to that student. So, coming to Python notes once, somewhere else there is Python notes. Somewhere else there is the Python notes. Python, they are backup. There is the Python notes is there. And don't ask me these notes. I don't give these notes even hundreds and thousands of people are asking. Because if I give these notes, outside business will start. So I don't want to open, I don't want to do that. I'm just opening it and going to give you this. So see that it is going to be given. Python KVR 3.10 and this is containing almost it is containing so many pages are there. So many pages, 432 pages are there. If I go on taking 432 pages with the colorful pages they prepared. With the colorful pages they prepared. So much of notes is prepared. So much of notes, complete coding with everything is prepared. With the multi-threading, beautiful concept and word explained. With the NumPy and pandas, so much of notes is prepared. So this much notes is prepared. You will ask immediately, sir, give that notes is better, sir. I never give these notes. You prepare the notes if you are talented. Why should I take somebody's notes? Okay, I'm not going to give any notes because why I don't give the beginning only notes is the questions are going on journey. I'm going and adding new content to the notes. So I will type the notes and I will give the notes in the class. Every day notes I will give, I will forward to you. Prepare the notes. If you are talented and a sincere student. If you are lazy, I can't do anything. Because I speak only open facts. Being useful or I will give my notes, okay? I take it. I will not give notes, you read these notes actually. It's all relax for me. Only I will explain, I will go for it. No need to type in. Because as a student, if I type it, as a teacher I type it, you will understand the subject. Am I correct? You have BTEC's textbooks are there. Have you touched the textbook? Your library cards are there in library cards only. Have you read that? Understand that. Today, I won't use the solid notes to you. I will say daily notes I will send. You are sincere, download and prepare the notes by yourself. That is my advice. Okay, students. So, with that, that's it. Okay, thank you, sir. He convinced with my explanation. Because I have to convince you. Because open facts are different. Destroying facts are different. So you will convince me. I will convince you. Definitely, there is no doubt. Because you will also think open facts. Okay, students. Now, let students stand up. How many functions are don't feel? Are you feeling? Are you feeling? Are you feeling anything? Feel out there. Feel about it. Feeling. Now tell me, are you feeling or not? Not feeling. Not at all. Good. Same layers. Okay. How many functions are there in double? Balance. How many functions are there in double? Stand properly and see your friend is just like 135 degrees is sitting in the chair. Not sitting in 90 degrees. The other student how is sitting. Come on, tell me. Two, what are those? That's what, because you already watched that mobile, but still the concentration is there on mobile. You are unable to hear also. Once again, tell me what are the two functions? Now tell me. Once again, tell me.
एक जने बोला
Huh? See that. How much dangerous that mobiles are. It takes off, out, down. Tell me now.
takes off call off.
Very good. They said 3 times, but you did not. No problem. I will test your friend also. Let us stand up. Can I ask some question? Okay. Tell me some functions present in list.
Presenting list. Extend.
Extend, good. Extend down.
Extend up.
Okay.
Append up.
Up and down.
Pop of index.
Pop of index, very good.
Pop
Pop
of.
of.
Insert of.
Insert of.
Sort of.
Sort of. Okay, enough. I satisfied. Will you do the same thing to your friend also? Is your friend? Huh?
Yes.
Your friend?
Yes.
In the class, today friend, already friend. Already friend. Please tell him, because he is also good. Today he realized it. Because of watching that mobile, people are making sound also not hearing. Or concentration was diverted. Okay? Okay, students, now we'll go for giving the next class. I will go for what? Safety category. I will go for. Don't miss that class tomorrow. Okay? Thank you.
Salary.